Hello YouTube, today I'm having an unboxing from dealextreme.com. It writes laptop gadget. Its value was $18. It was shipped on 17th of July and I get it today. It arrived in Cyprus on the 29th, so it's okay, it was tracking. So let's open it. So inside we have the USB digital video broadcasting receiver. Here is the SKU. This is the package. Some information on the site. Let's see what is inside. So first we have the WandTV, the digital video stick, USB and antenna in. Second we have the antenna bracket with the socket. Is the receiver. We have a magnet for the antenna to stay, a remote control, and a small CD with some softwares and some other things, nothing else in the box. Let's open the stick to show you. Here it is. I will use it, and if you want I could make a review for you. Just comment and rate underneath the video. Thanks for watching.